Hello everyone, welcome to Pepcoding. So today we are going to discuss a question which is friends pairing. In this question, what we have to do is we have to return the pairs of friends. Like if we have given 1, 2, 3, then we have to return 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 3, 2. These can be the pairs for 1, 2, 3. We can't write it like 2, 1, 3 because this will create permutation. We can't write it like this, we can't write it like this, because these are the permutations, because there is no difference between 1, 2 and 2, 1. Okay, so you just need to make sure that permutations will not create here. We just need to create the combinations. Alright, so and if you have solved the previous questions, then you would be able to understand what I'm talking about. What is the difference between combinations and permutations? And if you are not able to do that, then please solve previous questions. Alright, now let's see. We have 1. 1 has 3 choice. It can come alone, it can come with 2, and it can come with 3. If it is coming alone, that means there is choice for 2. 1 is coming alone and dash. For 2, there is 2 choice again. It can come alone or it can come with 3. Now if 2 is coming alone, that means here the answer will be 1/2/dash. Alright, now here 3 has again a choice, but 3 has a single choice because 3 can't go with 2 with 1, and 3 can only go alone. Alright, if it is going alone, that means the answer will be 1, 2 and 3. So this will become our first answer. Alright, now again we will move to this 3. If 2 is coming with 3, that means 1 answer will become 1 and 2, 3. So this will become our second answer. Now we will move to this 2 again. This 2 was going alone. That when this 2 was going alone, this answer was created. When this 2 was going with 3, this answer was created. Now here again it's the chance for this 2. For this is already coming with 1, so here the answer will be 1, 2/dash. Alright, now it's turn for 3 to make choice. Here 3 can come alone because 1 and 2 are already together. 1 and 2 are already coming together. That means here 3 will come alone. So this will create 1, 2, 3 and dash. So not dash, no need to write dash here. Alright, so this is our another answer. Here 3 is coming with 3 can here 3 is coming with 1. We have choice for 2 where 3 is coming with 1, 1, 3. So here 2 can come alone, 1, 3, 2. Alright, so this will become our another answer. So we just need to print these answers. For that, what we need to take care of, that we need to create combinations. We need to be careful that permutations will not create here. Alright, we need to be careful for that. So let's try to code. First we will call our function and pass arguments for if I is coming alone. We just need to move I to next, n will remain same, and in answer so far used will be remain same, and in answer so far we just need to, let's see what's the method. Okay, plus to string I plus alright. So this is how we have to print our answer. And also we need to mark our used I as true before we call the function, and then we will go for the part where I was coming with its with his friend. For int j is equals to I plus 1. Why I plus 1? Because I can't move backward. I needs to move forward, because 2 can't go with 1. 1 can go with 2, but 2 can't go with 1. So j will start from I plus 1 and j will be less than equals to n and j plus plus. In this condition again we will mark used for j. If we are marking for I, then we need to mark for j also. Use j is equals to true. Again we will call the function I plus 1, n will remain same, used will remain same, and in answer so far we just simply need to add I, and we need a comma here, comma plus j, because here I is coming with j. Alright, again mark j as false, because we need to do the backtracking also. And here what if we have already used I? In this case, if we have already used I, then what will happen? We just simply need to call the next element. So we will check here if I is already used. If it is true, then we will call the function and pass the next element, and simply pass the next element used answer so far. No need to add anything in the answer so far. We will just simply pass the element, and here in the else part all these lines will execute. Alright, in the else part we need to execute these lines. If the element is not used, then mark it as true. If I is not used, then mark it as true, and we will call the next element. Then if I wants to come with j, then we will then this call will execute. Alright, and in the end, what we need to do, in the last, here we need to mark I as false because we need to backtrack also. Here we will mark false. This will not mark here. We need to write this line in else condition, where the else condition is. Alright, yeah, I think the code is completed, but there is we need to write the base case only, right? But here's the small mistake here. First I'm going to write the base case, then we will discuss that small problem. If I is greater than n, that means we need to stop. We just need to print our answer, count, cout to string counter. Why I'm taking counter here? Because we need to write this 1 2 3 4 also, so that's why I have taken counter here, so that this will increase counter plus dot plus answer so far and next line. In the end we will increase counter by 1 and then we will simply return from here. What was the small mistake I was talking about? Here we have checked if I is you already used or not, but what if j is already used? We need to check that also. If j is equals to false, in that case we need to do this function, do this work. Alright, if j is not used, then we need to call the function, otherwise we will simply backtrack from here. Let's try to run. Successful. Let's try to submit the code if it is running for all the test cases or not. All the test cases have been passed. Alright, I hope you have understood what I was trying to say. If not, then you can simply comment down in the comment section. We will try to solve your doubt, and we'll meet in another question. Till then, try to dry run this code so that you will be able to understand better. Thank you so much.